It's good to see you again, Silver.
I like Blue Train more, but I'll take Silver.
Oncoming drivers, please enter the train carefully. Drivers on the platform, please step back. The gates will be closing. Once seated, pull down and lift up on your lap bar to make sure that it is locked securely against your pelvis and muscles.
Going at 0 to 70, something else.
It really is.
70 to 100! Yeah! Woo! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Yeah!
Oh my God.
That was pretty good. I mean, maybe it felt a little bit different from when I was last on it, but it's still really good.
The train comes to a speed stop. Push up on your lap bar and exit carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Top Thrill 2 and enjoy the rest of your day.